Welcome to another Python tutorial. Today we are going over the string expandtabs method. So, by definition, the expandtabs method sets the tab size to the specified number of white spaces. Now, this is how the syntax looks like. As we can see, we have one optional parameter, a number specifying the tab size. Default tab size is 8. The method returns a copy of string, where all the tab characters are expanded using spaces. If tab size is not given, a tab size of 8 characters is assumed. So let's run some examples. The first example, we set the optional parameter to 12, and as we can see, the distance between the first token and the second token is actually 8 characters. Now if we change this to something like 0, we can see that the tabs has been expanded with exactly 0 characters. And if we change this back to 12 and compare with the replace method, where we just simply replace all the tab characters with 12 empty spaces, we can see that the two strings are very similar but are not equivalent. And so if we run for a test for equivalence, we can see that these two strings are actually not equivalent and thus returning false. Yeah, so this is the expand tabs method and it's very simple. So thank you for watching. I'll see you next time.